Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Welcome back for another video. Wait, something doesn't really feel right. Ah, that's better. Feeling much better. Alright, welcome back for another video. Today, I have a few things planned. I'm going to hang out with my friend Mason. He just bought a Ford Ranger, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to check that out. Also, I'm going to be getting a dirt bike today. I'm pretty excited for that. Let's get it. Alright, well, I guess it's time to get that bike. I'm at the bank now. I just took out a bunch of money. Let's get it. Alright, I just secured the bike. Looks really nice. I have a really good feeling about this. It's not the biggest bike in the world, but I think it's just for me. I think this is my bike. How nice that is. Make sure you subscribe to see me send it in the next video. I'm gonna have to learn how to ride it. That'll be the next video for next weekend. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that video. Yeah. Look how cool that is. So cool. Damn. Looks pretty nice. Damn, looking clean. Mr. Clean. How much did you pay for it?
It was 9.
9 grand? What about the kilometers?
There's 160.
Damn, bro, that's good. And it's 4x4.
No.
Oh. Well, that's okay.
That would have cost over like 8 grand.
Yeah.
Alright, dude. Park your truck like right here.
What? Okay. Yeah! It's all mine.
Yeah, dude.
It's not even that loud.
Feels just like the Hondas. Yeah, it's super quiet compared to my bike.
It's kind of stinky.
Yeah.
So you're in first now. Neutral.
Yeah, dude, I have no idea. Oh, yeah, it's down here. You gotta do the tiniest one. I think that's too big. Yeah. You wanna ride it?
You went up to
Did
second?
you ride it at the guy's house?
Huh?
Did you ride it at the guy's house?
No.
Oh.
Okay.
There you go. Yeah, clutch, put the gear down. And watch out for the car here. You don't gotta give it that much throttle. Just a little bit, there you go. Alright, let off the throttle and try the brake, and then clutch in.
What?
Let off the throttle, clutch in, and use the brake. Just lightly on the brake. The brake will work really well. Yeah. He's in neutral. There you go. your bike is
Oh shit.
your bike is a lot quieter than
I was
mine.
in neutral.
Yeah, it's like I have to do it with my hand. I can never get with my.
God damn. He's gonna try to pop a wheelie. This is my new toy.
This is so much fun.
Yeah, I know, dude.
So little.
All right, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to stay tuned for next week to see me ride on the trails for the first time. I'll probably go with Mason. He'll show me the ways. But yeah, a lot of fun.
Is this just a short video today?
Maybe. I'll see how much footage I have.
I bought new goggles today. Look at this.
But yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, have a good day.